was very hot today.
Yeah.
But you're tracking some changes. There's a cold front on the way. Where is it right now?
Yeah, the cold front on the way. We can tell with this map right here of where it's at. So far, Amarillo starting to feel some of the effects. It's becoming a little bit stationary right now. It's going to get a secondary push, and that's going to help it get here tomorrow, which is why Lubbock's still registering at 61, while Amarillo is at 49 degrees. So there is some cold air that's already filtering through at this point. We're just waiting for the front to finally make its way through. This is a strong front that's definitely going to do a little bit of oomph for our temperatures here. Give it that little push that it needs to get farther down. So current temperatures right now, we're down in the 70s in Austin at 73, Bastrop at 73, LaGrange at 69, but look at Lampasas and San Saba already down into the 50s, and same with Llano at around 59 degrees. Rockdale currently sitting at 68 degrees at this point. With satellite and radar, still seeing clear skies out there. We had that sunny day. That temperature was up. We hit that 93-degree mark, smashing the record of 91 degrees. That was the hottest temperature, the hottest high temperature that we've actually gotten within the month of November since records began being kept way back when. So as we look at the next couple of hours, we're still expecting to remain clear. Early in the morning, there may be some fog, especially in like Milam County, Lee County, and Fayette County. You can see how we'll just get grazed by some of the fog. So don't be surprised if it creeps in a little more closer to Bastrop than anything else. But by the time the sun comes up, it's pretty much gone. And then we wait for the front. The front is expected to arrive Saturday night going into Sunday. You can see that we'll get some cloud coverage. All that moisture is going to lift, so we're going to get some of the cloud coverage that will build up. But then the front comes in and it's dry air, strong winds, and of course we have the vegetation that's very, very dry outside right now. Those three things going to signal a fire weather watch, and we'll get to that right now. 87 degrees for tomorrow ahead of that front, but the front comes in, and like I said, the dry air filters through. So fire weather watch in effect for Sunday. Relative humidity will be down to 20%. Wind gusts over 40 miles per hour. And the timing still holding strong, looking like at around midnight and when it should arrive and bring in some of that colder air. So take a look at your wind gusts after the front really pushes through. You can even see by 1 a.m. we have wind gusts from 30 to 40 miles per hour. That'll last with us through early in the morning and into the afternoon hours. And even when we get past 12 o'clock to about 2 o'clock, we still have wind gusts from 20 to 30 miles per hour. And then things start to calm down behind that as we get into Monday night. But then temperatures are expected to drop as well. And look at the dew points after the front moves through. When we get to Sunday at midnight, you can see the dry air that just filters in, taking away any of that humidity, any of that moisture, and then we're just left with strong winds and dry air that'll filter through. So overall, 68 degrees for Sunday. That's not bad, but look at Monday morning. 39 degrees with a feels like temperature down into the 20s. Some of the coldest air that we've felt all season long. By Tuesday, we're at 74 degrees. By Wednesday, 83. Thursday, 84. And then by Friday, 83 degrees.
All right, Freddie, thank you.